Holy crap, I'm pretty sure our only child is spoiled. Oh my gosh. What are you doing?
Woo, that was a raunchy one.
Oh my gosh. So, I'm pretty sure our only child is spoiled.
It took you her 4th Christmas to realize that?
This is her 5th Christmas.
Yeah, 5th Christmas.
And this is only with one job. Oh my gosh. Good freaking grief. She's gonna be really excited.